Welcome, nature enthusiasts and curious minds, to Simplified Topics, where we make complex concepts easy to grasp. We're all about unraveling the mysteries of the world around us, one topic at a time. Today, we're turning our gaze towards the animal kingdom, focusing on the ingenious ways animals adapt to their environments. Ever wondered how a chameleon changes its colors? Or why a camel has a hump? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of animal adaptations. Ready to explore? Picture this, a stick insect that looks exactly like a twig. How does that happen? Nature can be quite the illusionist, constantly keeping us on our toes. This art of deception is called camouflage, and it's a masterstroke of evolution. Let's take a closer look at our stick insect, also known as a walking stick. This tiny creature's resemblance to a twig isn't a random coincidence. It's a survival strategy. By looking like a bit of tree, the stick insect evades predators that would love a crunchy insect snack. Sneaky, right? Then we have the chameleons, nature's mood ring. These creatures are famous for their color-changing abilities, but it's not just about putting on a flashy show. Chameleons change color to communicate their feelings and, yes, for camouflage, so a chameleon might turn green to blend in with leaves or brown to match tree bark. It's a dynamic, living disguise, and it's absolutely fascinating. Let's not forget the snow hare. Its white coat is a perfect match for its snowy habitat. When the snow melts, the hare's coat changes to brown, blending in with the earth and grass. It's a seasonal fashion show, dictated by survival. These adaptations occur over countless generations through the process of natural selection. The ones who blend in best survive and reproduce. It's nature's way of ensuring the survival of the species. So, you see, in the game of survival, sometimes it pays to blend in. Ever wondered how a camel can survive in the scorching desert or a penguin in the freezing Antarctic? Yes, it's all about adaptation. The secret sauce to survival in extreme living conditions. Let's take a closer look at our humpbacked friend, the camel. Why does it thrive in the desert when most other creatures would wither away? Well, it's because camels are the VIPs of the desert, equipped with their own built-in survival kit. Their humps, contrary to popular belief, store fat, not water. This fat acts as a source of energy and helps maintain body temperature. In addition, camels have long legs and tough, broad feet that prevent them from sinking into the sand. And don't forget about those long eyelashes and ear hairs, which are like built-in sandstorm goggles and filters. Moving from the heat to the cold, let's waddle over to the Antarctic with the penguins. These flightless birds have their own set of cool adaptations. Penguins are insulated by a thick layer of blubber under their skin, which keeps them warm in the icy waters. Their feathers are also waterproof and trap a layer of air for additional insulation. And let's not forget about their coloration. Their black backs and white bellies are a form of camouflage known as countershading, which helps them evade predators in the water. But it's not just about physical adaptations. Behavioral adaptations also play a key role. Camels can go for long periods without food or water, while penguins huddle together in large groups to share warmth in the frigid Antarctic winter. These are just a couple of examples. But the animal kingdom is filled with creatures that have developed incredible adaptations in order to survive. From the scorching desert to the freezing Antarctic, from the highest mountain to the deepest ocean trench, animals have evolved to suit their environment. It seems no matter how harsh the environment, animals find a way to thrive. Talk about resilience. How about a cheetah racing across the savannah or a gorilla displaying its immense strength? Now that's some serious power play in the animal kingdom. Imagine the cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, sprinting at top speeds. It's not just about speed though. Their bodies are designed for this high-speed chase. A lightweight frame, a flexible spine, long legs, and a tail for balance. All this, combined with a keen eyesight, makes them a formidable predator on the plains. Then there's the gorilla, the heavyweight champion of the jungle. Their strength is legendary, able to lift and carry almost twice their body weight. This is thanks to their robust muscular structure and short, sturdy legs. And let's not forget their strong hands and arms, perfect for both climbing trees and ground knuckle walking. These physical adaptations aren't just for show. Speed and strength are survival tools in the wild. For a cheetah, speed is the key to a successful hunt. It's a high-stakes game of tag where the prize is a meal. And for a gorilla, strength is a means of protection, whether it's warding off predators or competing for dominance within their group. So while we marvel at the cheetah's speed or the gorilla's strength, remember, these are not mere party tricks. These are adaptations honed by millions of years of evolution. In the wild, it's often a case of fast food or beef food, and strength can mean the difference between life and death. As we've discovered, the animal kingdom is full of amazing adaptations. These aren't just random quirks, but critical survival tools, honed over countless generations. We've seen how the art of camouflage can turn a creature into a master of disguise, blending flawlessly with its surroundings. It's a game of hide and seek where the stakes couldn't be higher. Then we ventured into the realms of extreme living conditions. From the scorching desert to the icy poles, we've seen how certain animals have evolved to thrive where others would perish. They've developed fascinating adaptations like the camel's hump storing fat for energy, or the polar bear's blubber keeping it warm in sub-zero temperatures. And let's not forget our sprinters and strongmen of the animal kingdom. From the lightning-quick cheetah to the Herculean strength of the gorilla, these animals show us that speed and strength can mean the difference between life and death in the wild. These adaptations are not just about survival, they're also a testament to the beauty and ingenuity of nature's design. They remind us that every creature, big or small, has its unique place in the grand tapestry of life. So, what's your favorite animal adaptation? Is it the chameleon's color-changing trick or the turtle's retractable head? Maybe you're fascinated by the bat's echolocation or the elephant's long memory. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simplified Topics for more fascinating insights into our natural world.